Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix a WeChat SMS not received problem. So in order to fix not receiving WeChat SMS, you need to verify your country's code and a mobile number. So here basically double check that the correct country and a region is selected for your phone number. Apart from it, you could also ensure that you have a stable connection. You could swipe down from the top and then click on internet and make sure to go ahead and just click on it or the Wi-Fi icon and restart your Wi-Fi, or maybe restart your device at the same time, or you could also try using a cellular data instead of using a Wi-Fi. That could also be able to help. Now, other than that, you also want to make sure if you haven't used a SIM card for a while, it must be inactive or it might be inactive, which is why you're not able to receive a verification or an SMS itself. Now, you can make sure your phone has a sufficient credit to receive SMS message as well. If that is not working out, you could also update the WeChat app. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. Open your respective app store, type in WeChat, check for an update as well. Now, other than that, what you want to do is you could also long press the WeChat app, go to the app info icon, and click on storage and cache. So click on clear cache. Now then, restart or reinstall WeChat. That might be able to fix. In any situation, if you're using antivirus or any sort of VPN, you could try disabling that as that might be hindering. So see that whether it fixes your issue or not. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.